friends. So, in the previous section, we have looked at that in service limit service when we are building. So, we have already made the service configuration controller, but here we have to retrieve some of the things, and in the service configuration, we have the maximum and minimum limits of the service, and here in the configuration we are having the configuration component and configuration properties, and in the service configuration controller we have the get service details. So moving it now, so we will be just having the service configuration. So we will have public service configuration, and in this service configuration we will try to retrieve the configuration. So we will retrieve configuration here, and if we retrieve the configuration, see, eventually when we try to retrieve the configuration, so here it will throw new runtime exception. So it will throw runtime exception here. So basically, if it is not available, then it will be say not available. So here it will have this, and here it will have the get mapping, and this mapping, it will be going to the fault tolerance basically. So we will make fault tolerance also for this. So you write it fault uh, tolerance. For fault tolerance, it will go, and after having this, we will have the we have to get the fallback retrieve configuration. So we will have public fallback retrieve configuration, and what type of configuration it will be. It will be of service configuration type. So we will write service configuration. So this will be of service configuration type, and it will return a new service configuration. So um, it will return new service configuration. So that's it. So what type of service configuration it will return? Suppose it will its maximum value, we want to say that it's of 999, and smaller value will be 9, like that. We want to place this type of the things, and the same we can just pour these value here also. If we just have the that we want to place these value, that we want to place in the minimum side 9, and in the maximum side we want to place 999, like this. So now we are ready to go with the application part. So we can run the application here from here. So we just run the application. Application is running. So it's started on the port 8080, which is the default port we have taken. So we just have this, that now it's coming 999, and minimum point which we have set as a 9. So service is working here. So now, after having this service, we will have the Spring Cloud config server, so that we can take the input directly from the Spring Cloud config server and place the value to the Spring limit service, or any other services which will be making further in this low level diagram which we have represented. So keep continuing. In the next section we will be coding with respect to Spring Cloud config server. Thank you.